This is a brief introduction to India, often known as the land of diversity. India is home to diverse landscapes, from the towering Himalayas to the Thar Desert. India has a rich history, beginning with ancient civilizations like the Indus Valley. India's economy is a mix of industries, agriculture, and a fast-growing tech sector. India is culturally rich with numerous festivals, languages, and traditional attire. Indian cuisine is diverse, featuring regional specialties like biryani and dosa. India is known for its iconic landmarks, such as the Taj Mahal and Jaipur forts. India hosts a variety of religions, with spiritual sites like Varanasi and the Golden Temple. India has been a center for learning with institutes like Nalanda and the IITs. India is a democratic country with a rich political history. Indian entertainment includes Bollywood, classical dance, music, and literature. India has made advancements in infrastructure, especially in metro cities. Sports are popular in India, with cricket and hockey leading the way. India is an IT powerhouse, known for its software and startup culture. India faces environmental challenges, but is working towards sustainability. India plays a role in global organizations and maintains diplomatic relations. India is a land of unity in diversity, with a promising outlook for the future.